kind of technology has been around for many years, and it's been used. However, the difference between GPT 4.0 and natural language processing in the past is that GPT appears to have the ability to problem solve. So an example would be, I was working with it the other day with fixture recaps. And traditionally, we've always had a difficult time with date time and specifically LACAN nomenclature. So if you use the, say, LACAN terminology of November 10/14, it may be difficult in the past to unpack that and say that's November 10th to 14th. It's a 4-day window for the LACAN. So the moment that I felt the kind of like the aha moment with GPT was when I was putting in elements of the fixture recap, and GPT was able to recognize November 10/14 as a window of time. That's a big deal. I think in the past, like I've always felt that, standardization of data was very important for transparency purposes in the supply chain. However, with the advent of GPT and the ability to process natural language expressions and commercial parlance, it's very different now. It may not matter as much.
Everyone who's worked with dates and maritime have struggled because they come in so many formats there. Even someone's just going to put, second half SEP.
Yeah, and spelling and punctuation errors, which are right.
Yeah. So if you were just gonna, how would you define ChatGPT, like in one sentence, like very elementary? Like if you're just gonna say ChatGPT is, how would you finish that sentence?
It's a tool that uses a corpus of information, perhaps the entire internet, all of the words and phrases that exist, and creates a natural language processing environment for that corpus.
Did ChatGPT write your answer? Because you're using some fancy words there with that corpus.
Yeah,
like a ChatGPT wrote your own answer. No, that makes
so it uses so you ask it a question, and what it will do is it will formulate a response word by word. It doesn't pre-formulate the response. So the way it works is it chooses a first word, and then based on that first word and what you're asking it, it devises a second, third, and fourth.
I got you.
Sort of first thought, best thought.